So I'm Hadeel Matti, and I've been practicing for around 6 to 7 years. I work as an associate in 2 clinics. In the practice that I work in, we see a lot of children and we see a lot of young adults. Many of them need ortho treatment. So I get always asked with my patients, "Oh, do you do it here? Can you do it for me?" So we had to refer out a lot of patients before. So I felt like the need to do an ortho course and probe that option. I did a year of another course. I felt I probably needed a different course, so I looked for other options. I've heard a feedback from my friends, and they were saying that Geoff teaches more the principles, so makes you understand ortho. And I felt I always like to learn and kind of like have sound knowledge of something rather than know how to do things. So that's why. Oh, I've started quite a few actually, so over 40 I would say by now. I'd highly recommend a course. So if you're looking at building your ortho knowledge, knowing the principles of ortho, the mechanics, and understanding what you're doing, I'd highly recommend it for sure. Oh, he's great. To be honest, it was without him, I would have probably never started as many cases. Having his support and him being very approachable and feeling that mentorship and support that you've got someone to go back to. If anything, it was of a great actually motivation for me to start. So for sure I would, he's great. I feel I got to understand more. So now when I see my patients, I know more what's the problem, and I can tackle cases at an earlier stage. So rather than wait for them to go more severe. Oh, it surely is, because diagnosis by itself is very important. Sometimes you just don't need to do a full treatment. Sometimes just taking a deciduous tooth out for the patient can help up with the eruption of the adult. So there's a lot of things that you can do as an intervention that helps provide better service for the patient. So surely. Oh, definitely, that comes part of it as well. So I get to see my patients, and then also patients love it that they've been seeing me for all of these years. They love that I do the treatment for them as well. So definitely the financial benefit comes with it. But yeah, I'm happy that I'd be able to provide the service for the patients for sure. I think it's because it's very complicated, and at universities we don't get taught orthodontics well. So we know when to refer, we can diagnose in a simple way, but it's just because it's totally different from whatever like everything else that we do in dentistry. So it's actually very probably most of us very reluctant to start on. It's a big journey. I had to actually travel interstate, and I've got a young family, so that was a concern, or I didn't know how that will go, but everything went well, so planned it well, and it was worthwhile, so not regretting that. So yeah, lots of travel, but it was worth it. To Geoff, thank you so much for all what you've put in for this course. Thanks to Robbie and everyone. They're all been great, and I'm grateful for the course and for them. It's just great.